Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am here to tell you about verbs and its types. So, move towards on whiteboard. The definition of verb, as you know, a verb is a word that shows an action is called verb. For example, sleep, run, play, and weep. These type of words are called verbs. In this video, I tell you about the names of its types. Here you see there are total 10 types of verbs we explain in this video. The first is static verbs. Static verbs, and the second is dynamic verbs. This is dynamic verbs. In this video, you know only the names of its types. Later, we will discuss about its explanation. In the next video, I give you the complete overview about its types with example. If you are new on my channel, I request you subscribe my channel, like, share to your friends and leave the comments so that all the notification will reach you. Next, continue on the third type of verb is transitive verbs. This is transitive verbs. This is intransitive verbs. This is intransitive verbs. And the fifth is helping verbs. This is helping verbs. You repeat with me the name of its types. This is linking verbs. Linking verbs. And the seventh is modal verbs. Modal verbs. And the eighth is phrasal verbs. This is phrasal verbs. And the second last is regular verbs. Regular verbs. And the last is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. I hope you learned all the types of verbs as I tell you. This is the most important types of verbs. Either you study in 9th, 10th, first year and second year. This is important all point of view in examination point of view and in the competitive exams. All point of view, these are the types is most important. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then and also press the bell icon to get all the notification on time. I try in the next video I give you the complete overview, the types of verbs. As in this video we know about all the names of its types. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.